clear, looks grand, looks impressive. But सबसे पहले यहाँ पर मैं congratulate करना चाहती हूँ अजय सर को, क्योंकि सर you have completed 30 big years, 30 long years in the industry. So a big congratulations to him. And just want to ask you that working with Sir S.S. Rajamouli, how was the experience?
Thank you so much. I think that's not a question you should ask also, because we've all seen his work, and Rajamouli sir, the way he presents cinema, it's like a celebration, it's like a festival. So I got what I expected when I went for work. I knew that he would be fabulous, but I saw the way he works, why he's fabulous is for one very clear in his head, but the kind of hard work, I mean, he'll come into your position on your mark, he will exactly keep trying to do that, how the actor should do it and how it should be captured. His thought process is completely crazy, mind-blowing. So it was very lucky to be working with him, actually.
Absolutely. So that's what we wanted to know. That's why we asked you this. All right. Next thing that I want to ask you is that the song that we are launching today, Janani, what are your feelings towards that song?
When Rajamouli sir came to me a couple of days back, and I'd already seen the teaser. The teaser looked fabulous. Everybody expects a big, grand film from him. Then he told me something that Cream sir has been trying to work when he's doing the background also, and he was saying that he felt that he hasn't yet cracked the soul of the film, and he said, I don't know how many months did you work on this, I don't know, because he said you've been working on it because you just really wanted the soul of the film. And he said, I've just got the soul of the film. So before this also one song came which is like a teaser. The audio is out, but they've not shown a lot of visuals. And so he was saying that okay, people will expect big visuals, but I want to show people the soul of the film. So once he cracked it, you should hear it. And I heard the song. It's again not a full length here. And you have really cracked the soul of the film, I would say, brilliantly. So this is the soul of the film, I would say.
So that's why we say...
That is why he wants everybody to see this, because if you see this, you'll come to know what the soul of the film is.
So the soul anthem of the film, guys. All right. Tanaji was released at the same time 2 years back. So what are your feelings that this movie, RRR, is releasing on the similar time? You think it's going to be bigger than that?
I think RRR doesn't need time, fingers crossed, but the way he's made the film, I think everybody's going to love it.
Absolutely, we are already loving the teaser. So I want to ask you, I mean, you took so much time to, make this magical soul anthem for the movie. What are your feelings when today we are launching this song?
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm very happy to share this platform with Ajay sir, because after the most acclaimed movie Zakham, after working,
I think that was one of my best albums also which he had done, Zakham.
I'm once again sharing this movie with him. It's very immense pleasure for me. And also, Janani Priya Bharata Janani. It's an extension of Janani. It's Priya Bharata Janani. It's about the motherland and the mother herself, because every one of us will connect to mother, if not anything else. So I am very proud to release this particular Hindi version of this song in this capital city. We have 5 versions, and Rajamouli is very popular to be making movies with grandeur and richness and action-packed scenes. Similarly, this movie also has all of those elements, but he's expert in bringing out emotions in each and every of his movies. And the same goes with RR also. So I was trying to bring out that emotion, connecting all the elements, all the grand action scenes and complicated fights and all of those to be connected with one single thread. This song Journey will be the emotion and soul of the RRR movie. And normally for a movie like this, all the artists and technicians are they sign an agreement saying that they will not disclose any content of the movie prior to the release. But I take a little liberty here to just leak something to you because I feel happy to do so. This song is the soul of RRR, and also there are many acclaimed and very artists we are having in the movie. But let me say, Ajay sir is the soul of RRR. That much I can say. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And it's an honor to have the soul of RRR with us here. And before we play the song here, it's just a humble request once again to all of you. Please don't record it or please don't click any pictures because it is not out yet. This is exclusively for you all. So it would be great if you will not record the song. Thank you so much. And without any delay further, we are going to now play the song here. क्योंकि हम चाहते थे कि बड़े पर्दे पर आपको ये song दिखाएं. So now the cinemas are back. So let's play the song on the big screen for you all. Thank you.